How to change video to TikTok size on CapCut PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change video to TikTok size on CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, import the video. Then you can add it on your timeline. So simply press on the plus icon for the video. So as you can see, currently the video is just on a rectangle. It's not really in the ratio which will appear on your TikTok. So after you press on that, there you will see the ratio button. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, there you'll find another option. And there you will see the option called 9 is to 16. Simply press on that. And now you have set your video size to something that will fit on TikTok. So now all you need to do is if you want to make it full screen, you can simply change it like this by zooming it in. Or if you just want it normal, you can set it back to how it was. So that's basically how you do it. And that is all for today's video. Now you can export this and post it on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.